Vice President Constantino Chiwenga delivered a striking address at the Chartered Governance and Accountability Institute annual conference in Victoria Falls last week. Sanabina mashoko atona kuti aiwa General Chiwenga vanodeliver mashoko vanhu avaona kuti aiwa ari directed to a specific individual atikona kuti akananga top officials emubato ravo ndoti pasubscribe like turn on the bell kuti mna nomwe ngomuchinzi. His comments shed light on the critical challenges facing the nation and the government's commitment to tackling these issues. Chiwenga stated, "It is important to recognize that corruption represents a serious threat to our nation's progress, distorting markets, undermining the rule of law, and eroding public function as professionals in key positions across both private and public institutions." The admission highlights the depth of corruption's impact on Zimbabwean society, indicating a need for urgent reforms. The Vice President emphasized the government's resolve to work alongside with the private sector to cultivate a corruption-free environment. He outlined a multi-faceted strategy. The government of Zimbabwe is committed to collaborating with the private sector to create a corruption-free ecosystem through vigorous enforcement and anti-corruption laws, fostering strong partnerships, enhancing public awareness, and providing advanced protection for whistleblowers. Tomashoko atona kuti aiwa mashoko anova ejargon kune vanhu vari mu the ruling party patoona kuti aiwa Vice President Constantino Chiwenga vanoona kubuda musaga so mungoziva ndisangoziva kuti the ruling party inongoaccusewa nema allegations ekuti vari corrupt but tikuona kuti Vice President Constantino Chiwenga tiona nyika yakasana succession dispute nhau ye corruption anoya vachiadressa as a way kuti vanhu angaitora a campaign navari kuona kuti aiwa ava kuda kuudza vagari munyika yeZimbabwe kuti aiwa corruption yanyanya with the ruling party yawandisa inini tauda kuuya kuti tiise a change zvatakuona kuti aiwa ari kuzama kuzvichenura kuti aiwa vanhu vatange kumufarira zvatiri kuona kuti anoma striking words ari kuitika kune top officials ari the ruling party vanhu vanoziva kuti aiwa ndo maelites avari kudya vamwe vese vachitambura weze mafunguro muri kudeba pamusoro pechitiko ichi kuna comment section medu musanosa subscribe like and turn on the bell icon.